Hey everybody, Brian Walver with Acme Tools, and it's that time of year again, so let's take a look at some of our best Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals. Remember, for a full list of our sales and deals, take a look at the description below, in our bio or in our stories. Don't miss these limited time deals while supplies last and no other discounts allowed. Now let's take a look at the DeWalt Deals, which run from November 24th through the 28th, unless otherwise noted. Now remember, some of these hot deals have limited supplies. Receive a bonus 5.0 starter kit with select 20 volt max products, a $229 value. Choose from DeWalt 20 volt max tools such as the Rotary Hammer, Recip Saw, angle grinder, Jigsaw, and more. Purchase a DeWalt 20 volt max Powerstack 1.7 amp hour starter kit and get your choice of a free DeWalt bare tool up to $159 value. Free bare tools include the circular saw, Recip Saw, half-inch drill driver, and many others. Save $350 on select DeWalt 20 volt max 9-tool combo kits with a bonus 5 amp hour battery. Now this is a $1,018 value if you purchased everything separately. Now looking at our Milwaukee deals, they'll be live on November 25th and run through December 1st, unless otherwise noted and while supplies last. Save $30 and receive a free Milwaukee Hammer drill driver, $149 value, with select M18 1/4-inch impact driver kits. For $99 only, get the Milwaukee M12 3/8 crown stapler kit, a savings of $90. Another $99 deal is the Milwaukee M12 Fuel brushless 3/8 high-speed ratchet kit, which is normally $199. Get a free 5 amp hour battery with purchase of select M18 bare tools, such as the M18 Fuel 6.5-inch circular saw, M18 Fuel 3/8 mid-torque impact wrench, and many others. Taking a look at Makita's deals, they go live on the 25th and expire at different times throughout the month of November and December. Save $126 on the Makita 18 volt LXT 8-tool combo kit, only $399. Purchase the Makita 18 volt LXT 5 amp hour starter kit for $199 and choose from 10 free bare tool options for a value up to $179. Looking for a couple of hot deals on Gearwrench? We have them going live on the 25th of November. Save $120 on a 118-piece mechanics hand tool set. It was $219. Our sale price, $99.99. Purchase a 13-piece gear pack bolt biter and auto bite tool set for $39.99. Normally $141.96 for a savings of $101.97. Now let's take a look at some other notable deals. These will run from November 24th through the 28th, unless otherwise noted and while supplies last. Buy one, get one free Stanley 16-inch touch toolbox with removable lid organizers, only $9.99. Save 25% off select heated gear from Mobile Warming while supplies last. Save 10% on all woodworking tools from Jet and Powermatic. Save $80 on the Metabo HPT 2.5-inch 16-gauge Pro Finish Nailer with a free air hose, only $179. Get the Bora Adjustable Speed Horse XT Sawhorse Work Support System 2-pack for only $139.99 for a $40 savings. The Hoover Power Dash Go Pet Spot Cleaner is on sale for $49.99 for a $50 savings. Don't miss these limited time deals while supplies last and no other discounts allowed. Thanks for watching, and remember to do your best work with Acme Tools.